Jai Shri Gurudev students. Now I am going to explain CET concepts. Okay na? First question. Binary operation on star. Binary operation on star R minus minus 1 defined by A star B is equals to A divided by B plus 1 is there. Okay na? So here options are given like this. Options are given like this. See once again. Star is associative and commutative. Star is associative but not commutative. Star is commutative but not associative. Star is commutative but not commutative. So associative but not commutative. Okay, like that given. Options another time I will write. Star is associative and commutative. Star is neither associative nor commutative. Star is commutative but not associative. Star is associative but not commutative. Okay na? See, first you have to check whether it is commutative or not. One condition is the first associative. We will check the associative condition. See, A star B star C. First you have to check. Okay, CET no. That's why we take any elements. It's very easy, no. So let us take 1, 2, 3 like that. 1 star 2 star 3. 1 star 2 is equals to what? 1 divided by 1 plus 2. 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Star 3. 1 divided by 1 plus 2 means 1 by 3 star 3. Again this one A, this one B. A divided by 1 by 3 plus 3. 1 by 3, 1 plus 3. 1 plus B. 1 plus B plus 1 no. 3 plus 1 4. So ulta madre 1 by 3 4 by 1. The answer is 1 by 12. Okay na? We will check A star B star C. A star B star C. See, A star B star C already checked now. See here, now we will check A star B star C. A star B star C. A means 1 star B star C. 2 star 3. Okay na? 1 write down same only. 2 star 3 is equals to 2 divided by 3 plus 1 4. So 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 1 star 1 by 2 is what? 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is mass 3 by 2. So 1 divided by 3 by 2. Ulta madre 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is not equals to 1 by 2. Okay na? Not equals. That's why it is not associative. Let us check commutative. Okay na? See, commutative. Let us take same elements. 1 star 2. 1 star 2. So 1 divided by 2 plus 1 3. 2 star 1. 2 star 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1. 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So both are not same. Okay. Both are not same. That's why it is not commutative. It is not associative. So neither commutative nor associative. This is the right option. So option B is the right one. See, next question. 1 plus 1 differential equation is given here. One differential equation is given here. So first you have to find out the degree of this differential equation. 1 plus dy by dx square whole to the whole square again is equals to d square y by dx square. First you have to calculate the degree of the above differential equation. Okay. How to find out the degree of the differential equation? What are the options means? 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay. Actually, what is the order here? See, dy by dx first order, d square y by dx square second order. So highest order you have to consider for the total order of the degree differential equation. The order is what? 2. But here in the problem they asked only degree. Okay na? So degree means what? Highest power. Power of the highest order. So what is the power? 1. So therefore degree of this differential equation is 1. So option first one. 1 is the answer. Right answer. Okay na? So first there are easy questions kodtare, but had to concentratedly have to do. Okay. See next question. One function is given f of x is equals to x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing in the interval. The options is given like this. Okay na? Option A, option B, option C, option D is given. Okay. So how to find out that? First had to know that what is the strictly increasing condition. So when the function will be strictly increasing means if f dash of x is greater than 0, this is the condition. If strictly decreasing means what? F dash of x is less than 0. But here in the problem, strictly increasing is given now. That's why had to take f dash of x is greater than 0. F dash of x is nothing but what? Differentiation of the given function. Okay, differentiation. Calculate the differentiation. X squared 2x divided by x of x squared is 2x. 2x get 2 minus 5 gets 0. Okay, so therefore greater than 0. So 2x are greater than minus 2. X greater than what? 2 by minus 2 by 2 is equals to minus 1. So this is the answer. X greater than minus 1 means what? More than 1. Okay, means x belongs to minus 1 comma infinity. Okay, so minus 1 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. Why? Because not equals to is not there. No, that's why we have to go through this one. So minus 1 comma infinity. Which option is the right one? Minus 1 comma infinity. So option A is the right answer. So minus 1 comma infinity. See, sorry. So here close interval is there. No, open interval is there. So option D is the right answer. Okay, na? So already mistaken. Okay, so go through this one. This is a close interval. This is open interval. We want only open interval now. That's why. Okay, na? My dear students, check and write the answer. Okay. See, next question. The total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole to the power of 47 minus x minus a whole to the power of 47. Okay. Option A is 24, option B is 96, option C is 47, option D is 48. Okay. So we can't simplify all this one. One easy technique is there. What means? The expansion is like this: x plus a whole to the power of n minus x minus a whole to the power of n. If n is odd, so here n odd is there. No, 47 is odd. No, so if odd is the number of total terms, the number of total terms is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. Here what is n? N is equals to 47. Okay, 47 plus 1. So 47 plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 48 by 2, 24. So 24 is the right answer. So like that you have to solve the problem. Okay, easy technique. Odd is there, like that you have to write. Okay, na? See, next question. What is the next question means? The point on the curve. The point on the curve y square is equals to x, where the tangent makes angles pi by 4. The tangent makes angle pi by 4 with x-axis. Okay, na? With x-axis. So I have to find out. This is option A, this is option B, option C, option D. Like that, had to calculate. Okay, na? So here one condition is there. Tangent means what? The slope of the tangent means what? It is nothing but dy by dx. Okay, na? Slope of the tangent means what? It is nothing but the differentiation dy by dx. Okay, na? Let us take the curve. Y square is equals to x. Answer. Y square is equals to x. Differentiate this one. dy by dx of y square is what? 2y. Y madra y dash is equals to x means 1. Dx by dx is equals to 1. Okay. So what is the dy by dx here? Dy by dx is equals to tan theta. No, dy by dx is equals to tan theta. One formula is there. Tan theta means tan 45 degrees. Tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is equals to what? 1. So one value is there. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. Substitute here. Y dash is equals to 1. Y dash is equals to 1. So 2y into 1 is equals to 1. Y is equals to what? 1 by 2. Y already calculated. Substitute y value in this equation. Y square is equals to x. So x is equals to y square. X is equals to y square. So x is equals to what? 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square is equals to what? 1 by 4. So this is the point. Okay, what is that point? First x point you have to write. 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. This is the answer. Some students doing the mistake. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4. This is also there. Okay, na? Don't do this mistake. Okay. So x 1 by 4. X 1 by 4 is there. Y is 1 by 2 is there. Okay, na? Don't do the mistakes. Silly mistakes don't do. Okay. See, next question. So the function f maps R to R given. The function f maps R to R given. F of x is equals to what? X to the power of 4. X to the power of 4. Then f is options are given like this. Options are given like this. See, go through this one like this. F is, okay na, I will read one time. F is 1 1 but not onto. F is neither 1 1 nor onto. F is 1 1 and onto. F is F is 1 1 not 1 1 but on. Okay na. So you have to calculate. First you have to calculate whether this function is 1 1 or not, onto or not. You have to check. Okay na. 1 1. 1 1, how to check the 1 1 condition? F of x1 is equals to f of x1 means x1 is equals to x2 means it is 1 1 no. See, let us check f of 1 value. F of 1 means what? 1 to the power of 4 1. Okay na. F of minus 1 means what? F of minus 1 also minus 1 all to the power of 1. Okay. For the two values, different values, we have the same image. This is that 1 1. Okay. So 1 1 means what? Different elements in the domain has a different images. This is the condition should satisfy. It is not satisfying like this. No. So if we take like this in a Venn diagram, like this, minus 1 1, only 1. This is not a 1 1 condition. So it is not 1 1. Okay na? So this is not 1 1. We will check for the onto condition. Onto condition means what? Onto condition is what? Codomain is equals to range. If this condition satisfies means you can tell that it is onto. Codomain is what? R. Codomain is equals to range. Okay, means it is onto. Codomain means what? R. Range means what? If we take any positive or negative values, it will becomes positive. Why? Because it is even function. X to the power of 4 is even function. That's why the range is what? 0, infinity, even function. So both are not same. See, this is R means what? Minus infinity, infinity. R. This is 0, infinity range. Both are not same. Therefore, codomain is not equals to range. Like that you have to decide. Okay na? Codomain is not equals to range. That's why it is not onto. Different elements, different images is not there. That's why I already told it is not 1 1. So option B is the right option. So F is neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay na? My dear students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to your students also, your friends also. Thank you.